Hello everyone. Today we will be doing Production and Total Quality Management Unit 4, which covers Lean Thinking, Kapner-Trego methodology of problem solving, Six Sigma features, enablers, goals, DMAIC or DMAP, Taguchi's Quality Engineering, Malcolm National Quality Awards, and Deming's Application Prize and Picture Awards. Lean thinking. So what is lean thinking? Becoming a lean is a process of eliminating waste with goal of creating values. Lean manufacturing is the production of goods using less of everything compared to mass production, less human efforts, less manufacturing space, less investment in the tools and less engineering time to develop a new product. So overproduction, inventory, extra processing steps, motion, defects, waiting, transportations. This should be removed. So the 10 simple rules of lean programming. Eliminate waste, minimize artifacts, satisfy all the stakeholders, deliver as fast as possible, decide as late as possible, decide as low as possible, deploy comprehensive testing, learn by experimentation, measure business impact and optimize across the organization. Kapner-Trego methodology of problem solving. Kapner-Trego decision making is a structured methodology for gathering information, prioritizing and organizing such information, and analyze and evaluate. An individual's successful decision making did not result from his or her reliance on experience or seniority. Instead, it resulted from employing a logical process of gathering, organizing and analyzing information to support that gut feel or experience. How good a person is at decision making and arriving at good solution depends on how well he identifies the root cause of the problem. Kapner-Trego decision making is a structured methodology for gathering information, prioritizing or organizing such information, analyzing and evaluating. Kapner-Trego methodology of problem solving. Gathering information, prioritizing and organizing such information, analyzing and evaluating. An individual's successful decision making did not result from his or her reliance on experience or seniority. Instead, it resulted from employing a logical process of gathering, organizing and analyzing information to support that gut feel or experience. How good a person is at decision making and arriving at a good solution depends on how well he identifies the root cause of the problem. So good decision can be made if decision maker does not confuse with the following two things: potential difficulty that may arise at the time of implementation, emotion, fears and apprehension during the decision making process. Intuition and gut feelings have also a role to play in finalization of decision, but it should not interfere when rational decision making process is on. Right brain intuitive process should be segregated from the left brain rational process. Emotion, fears, apprehension and intuitive feelings have their time to play a role, but not at the time of when rational thinking is being done. So 4 basic steps in decision making: situational appraisal, problem analysis, clearly define the problem and identify its root cause; decision analysis, to identify various alternatives and analyze risk for each of the options. Potential problem analysis, further scrutinize against potential problems after selected best among all the alternatives. Six Sigma features enabler goals. Six Sigma is a quality discipline that focuses on the product and service excellence to create a culture that demands perfection on target every time. It is a mathematical term that represents a measure of standard deviation or variability within a given population around the mean. It represents population that falls within plus or minus 6 standard deviations. It was started in Motorola in its manufacturing division. Eventually, Six Sigma evolved and applied to other non-manufacturing processes like services, medical and insurance, procedures, call centers. Six Sigma can also be defined as a process-focused methodology designed to improve business performance through improving specific areas of strategic business process. Six Sigma methodology improves any existing business process by constantly reviewing and returning the process. To achieve this, Six Sigma uses a methodology known as DMIC, that is define opportunities, measure performance, analyze opportunity, improve performance, and control performance. Six Sigma, no process yields more than 3.4 DPMO, that is defects per million opportunity. An opportunity is defined as a chance for non-conformance. So Six Sigma goals, it focuses first on reducing variation and then on improving the process capability. Statistically, Six Sigma ensures that we talk about 5 nines, that is 99.9997% of all products produced in a process are of acceptable quality. Design for Six Sigma and DMAP. Six Sigma experts can also design a brand new process, DFSS, designed for Six Sigma. Typically, it's easier to define a new process with DFSS. Principals then refine an existing process to reduce the effect. The Six Sigma improvement process used to develop a new product or process is design, measure, analyze, design, and verify. So the basic principles and technique is used in the business, statistics, and engineering. That is what Six Sigma incorporates. It improves the process performance, decreases the variations, maintains the consistent quality of the process. So Six Sigma basically leads to defect reduction and improvement in profit, quality, and satisfaction. So methodology term associated with the implementation of Six Sigma: sponsor, business executive leading the organization who is going to sponsor the entire program, champions responsible for Six Sigma strategic deployment and vision, project leaders selected and mentored by the champions, process owner of the process product or service being improved, master black belt, coach black belt having expertise in statistical tools, black belt expert working in 3 to 5 projects per year, and green belt works with the black belt on project. DMAIC define all the parameters to be included in a Six Sigma. They can be team which will work on improvements, customers of the process, their needs and requirement, define problem in a concrete measurable terms within operational definitions, define customers and requirement critical to quality and develop a problem statement. That is nothing but a define. Measure. After the key input list is ready, the vet will consider the potential impact each input has with respect to the project variation and how input can go wrong. Once the reason for input failure is determined, preventive action plans are worked out. Analyze. To determine the cause of problem that need improvement. Improve. Generating, selecting and implementing the solution. Pilot studies may be carried out and potential improvements validated, corrected and re-evaluated till Six Sigma goal, that is 3.4 BPM is achieved. Control, define and validate the monitoring system to control that improvements achieved with the above process are sustained for long. Taguchi's quality engineering. He believed that it is preferable to design product that is robust or insensitive to variation in the manufacturing process rather than attempt to control all the many variations during the actual manufacture. He took the already established knowledge on experimental design and made it more usable and practical for quality professionals. Quality and reliability are pushed back to the design stage where they really belong, and he broke down offline quality into 3 stages: system design, parameter design and tolerance design. International Organization for Standardization, popularly known as ISO. So there are so many ISO standards, 9000, 14000 and so on. So ISO standard is an international standard setting body composed of representatives from various national standard organizations founded in February 23rd, 1947. ISO 9000 is a family of standard for quality management system. Some of the requirement in ISO 9001, a set of procedure which covers all key processes, monitoring processes to ensure they are effective, keeping adequate records, checking output for defects with appropriate corrective action necessary, regularly reviewing individual processes and the quality system itself, and facilitating continuous improvement. Certification to an ISO 9000 standard does not guarantee the compliance of end product and the services. Rather, it certifies that consistent business processes are being applied. Looking at the history of ISO 9000, pre-ISO 9000, during World War II, standard was BS 5750, management standard. In 1987, a British government persuaded the International Organization for Standardization to adopt BS 5750 as an international standard. So BS 5750 became ISO 9000. Indian equivalent ISO 9000 is ISO 14000 series. ISO 9001-2000 combines the 3 standards 9001, 2 and 3 into one called as 9001. Salient features of changes while revising 9001: design and development procedure are required while creating new product. Placing process management front and center instead of just inspection. Involvement of upper management in order to integrate quality in business. Improve efficiency, effectiveness via process performance metrics. Expectation of continual process improvement and tracking customer satisfaction. So latest version of ISO 9000 is ISO 9001. Needs to demonstrate its ability to consistently provide product that meets customer and applicable statutory and regulatory requirements. Aims to enhance customer satisfaction through the effective applications, Requirements are generic and intended to applicable to all the organizations. So some of the benefit of having ISO 9000 quality system: facilitate access to national and international markets, increases customers' confidence, clarity in the distribution of responsibility, clarity. Also increases the involvement of employees in quality goals and better image. Step for ISO 9000 implementation: understand the standard system and interpretation, conduct necessary training programs. Line managers should generate documents. Salient features of ISO 9000: it is obligated to identify non-conformity with shortfalls from the desired result. Systematic prevention of non-conformities, formally documented procedure for each and every activity related to quality. National Accreditation Board conducts the certification audit in India. Need to furnish documentary evidence to substantiate the effectiveness, and certifications are not valid for more than 3 years. Benefits of having USI 9000 quality system: facilitates access to national and international markets, increases confidence of customer on the organization, responsibility within the organization gets clearly defined, distributed, enhancing image and goodwill of the company, and increases involvement of employees in quality goals, make organization eligible for getting the incentives declared for ISO registered companies. And though not mandatory, it is advantageous to have ISO for exporting to European countries, especially when there is a threat to human safety. So ISO 14000 environmental management standards exist to help organizations minimize how their operations negatively affect the environment. So causing adverse changes to the air, water and land, comply with the applicable laws. And the ISO 14000 environmental management standard exists to help organizations minimize how their operation negatively affect the environment, causes adverse changes to the air, water or land. Comply with the applicable laws and regulations. ISO 19011 audit standards applies when auditing for both 9000 and 14000 compliance at one. QS 9000 is a quality standard developed by a joint effort of the big three automakers, General Motors, Chrysler and Ford. It was introduced in industry in 1994. It has been adopted by several heavy truck manufacturers in the US as well. Essentially, all suppliers to the automotive industry need to implement quality standard 9000 system. Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award. MBNQA, the Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award, is an annual award that recognizes US organizations in the business, healthcare, education and non-profit sector for performance excellence. To receive a Baldrige Award, an organization must have a role model organizational management system that ensures continuous improvement in the delivery of the product and or services, demonstrate efficient and effective operations, and provides a way of engaging and responding to customers and other stakeholders. The award is not given for a specific product or services. Up to 18 awards may be given annually across 6 eligibility categories: manufacturing, services, small business, education, healthcare and non-profit. So criteria for performance excellence: leadership, strategic planning, customer focus, measurement analysis and knowledge management, workforce focus, process management and results. Deming Application Prize and TQM Awards. The Deming Prize is one of the highest awards on TQM in the world. It was established in 1950-51 in honor of late Dr. William Edward Deming, who contributed greatly to Japan's proliferation of statistical quality control after the World War II. The award was originally designed to reward Japanese companies for major advances in quality improvement. However, during recent years, there has been many companies around the world to compete for the prize. Categories of Deming Prize. The Deming Prize for individual outstanding contribution, the Deming Distinguished Service Awards for dissemination and promotion overseas, the Deming Applications Prize, those who have implemented TQM suitable for their management philosophy. That's all about Unit 4. Thank you very much.